My air fryer chuck roast is packed with flavor and perfect for a busy weeknight meal. In a bowl, combine Worcestershire and olive oil. In another bowl, combine garlic powder, paprika, thyme, rosemary, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Mix until everything is well combined. Generously coat your chuck roast on all sides with the olive oil mixture. Sprinkle the seasonings over the entire roast. Place the roast in the air fryer for 15 minutes, then carefully flip and air fry at 320 degrees for another 45 to 60 minutes depending on the size. Remove from the air fryer and allow it to rest for 10 minutes before slicing. I love to top mine with our homemade stovetop beef gravy. You can find more easy air fryer recipes on our website.